Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to bypass activation lock of iPhone 5s to iPhone X, and also with this tool you can bypass or turn Find My iPhone without password of usable phone with the help of Unlock Apple ID. So now first of all you need one pen drive. To create bootable of Checkra, connect your phone also. Click start to remove. Click start. Connecting the device. Please wait. Bypassing activation lock with the help of UltFone Activation Unlocker tool for Windows. It is also available for Mac OS also. Now click on start. Creating bootable pen drive. Click yes. Wait till it process. Now we have to put our laptop or PC in boot menu. Click F12 or escape. It depends on your laptop or PC. Select your pen drive. Checkra is booting. Now connect your device. Click options. Tick allow untested iOS, iPadOS, tvOS versions. Go back. Start. OK. Next. Now put your device in DFE mode. Entering recovery mode. Now we are putting in DFE mode. Click on start. Press top button and home button. Release top button and keep holding home button. DFE mode successful. Now it's jailbreaking. Jailbroken successful. Now open Windows. Now we have to open UltFone Activation Unlocker tool. Link is given in description box. You can download it from there. Open UltFone Activation Unlocker. Activation lock. Click start to remove. Start. Connecting the device. Please wait. iPhone SE iOS version 14.7.1. Click Start. Removing iCloud activation lock. Please be patient. It's very easy to use UltFone Activation Unlocker. Activation lock has been removed successfully. Click on Done. Activation lock has been removed. Now you can device. Now you can use your device. You can also sign in your Apple ID. Use it like a normal phone. This tool link is given in description box. I hope you like my video. Then subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit like button.